So I was going to show you guys, I'm about to leave, but this looks like a wall cloud. Let's see if I can zoom in on it here. Look at that. See that lowering there? Almost looks like a wall cloud. So there's a marginal risk of severe weather here today, so I'm not quite sure. Let's see who's going by here. This road is closed. I don't know how they can go by. As you can see, it's got a lowering there. I don't want to focus, but there's a lowering there, so we'll find out what happens. I guess I got my camcorder today. I don't got my DSLR. Let me go and explain a few things. I dropped the IDI starter off to the Ford over there. The mosquitoes are so bad. I'm gonna see if my dad can tow the truck right there or in the shop, one or the other, if he'll let me. And then I'll put the starter in there, and once I get the battery cable lines, we'll do that. And then I didn't order new negative cable lines. I should have done that too, but right now we're just going to go with the new positive ends to the starter, and it's got the dual loop where it's got the one here for the other battery, two batteries. I'll take the positive or the negative ends and file them off and clean them off while I'm at it. And then the other starter was last replaced probably, I'd say 10 years ago or so on that thing. And it's stalled and crank, and we crank and crank and crank with one battery for about 5 years. So I just thought, well, 80 bucks for a new starter, it's worth it. So I put the IDI starter in there, and there's so much grass around there, so much wood ticks, so much mosquitoes. It's hard to work there. Got the new mechanical fuel pump in. What we should do is put a new redneck fuel system in there, just like a 5-gallon hydraulic plastic bucket with new fuel lines and return going to the bucket with a new filter going to the mechanical fuel pump up to the filter, you know, double filter, good, you know, just for sure. Try it that way and see if she starts. The fuel in the tank is 6 years old, so I imagine old fuel isn't good either, so should drain them tanks and redo them. If that still doesn't run and it needs an ejection pump, it's not the end of the world. It needs glow plugs, I know that. I haven't got them ordered yet, so it might not get all the parts this year. So I mean, it's a project, it's a hobby. It's one of my hobby trucks I like to work on, and this one will be another time. I don't know, just can't find an engine for that thing. It's takes a I don't know what liter it is. I hate to get in there and get wood ticks in there, but it needs it's a 95 Toyota Tacoma. Where's the, you know, if it even popped. It needs it's a fuel injection engine. What the heck is it? It's a 16 valve. Let's see. Needs that engine there, and nobody has that block. In Canada they do, but it costs too much money to get. 2.7 liter. The third cylinder blew the rod through the block, so we need a replacement engine to put in there, the same engine, and we can't find them. I don't know if anybody would have an engine they'd like to donate to me or whatever, but can't find one, so it just sits. Otherwise it'd be a good running vehicle. Just get some tires and brakes, and it's a 5-speed manual, 4x4 works. 95 with 127,000 miles. That's it for 95. She's got some rust starting there. Frame isn't too bad. But that's the situation of that. We can't get an engine for it. Nobody has an engine. Nobody has no engine for it. Rare, obviously. You can't get them in junkyards because everybody runs them until they fall apart. As for that one, you can get many parts for that one. Dump truck still sitting there. Just an update video, guys. Just to let you know, we haven't messed with it. We've been so darn busy. My dad's on vacation right now, and I'm watching the farm a little bit, but just gonna let you know, we'll start that sometime this fall. Yeah, we gotta get out here and get the cattle out here so they can mow the grass. That's what cows do, they mow, you know. And so that's why I want him to get this IDI pulled up here, so I don't be working out there when there's cattle out there. Because we get the cattle out there and they eat up the grass, and then it looks nice. So, you know, cattle's got to have good grass to eat. Dodge still got a loping problem. We think either the fuel lift pump or the injection pump may be getting wore because it's got 195,000. It's got the original injection pump and everything and lift pump. Other than that, it still runs. The 6-liter still runs. The brake caliper caught on fire in the back. Just about burnt the truck up here just after I made that last video. We replaced the caliper, fixed it, now it works. This side here got pretty toasty. It got pretty toasty, the drum and everything. You can see how hot it got. So it's a common Chevy. But other than that, it runs, it works good. So we don't use this one very much, just to tow once in a while or go out in the field. Honda Accord is still working good. The wall cloud looks like it's kind of falling apart. I don't know if it was one.